Hello everyone. It's my final day here in the Netherlands. I will be flying back unfortunately tonight, back to the UK. I wish I was stopping another day. I visited my first out of the UK theme park yesterday, which was the brilliant mythical Efteling Park. I arrived into Eindhoven at approximately 4:10 p.m. as I flew with Ryanair from Manchester Airport, Terminal 3. I commuted on two buses and a train to reach my official destination, being Efteling Theme. I checked into Hotel de Kroon, where I shall be staying for the next couple of nights. A beautiful room with some oak wooden decor, even being the twin bed. I ate out at their sister kitchen named the Guest House, a lovely pizza which I ate. I visited my first out of the UK theme park yesterday, which was the brilliant mythical Efteling Park. It was just incredible to experience, such roller coasters and such themed attractions, which incorporated a narrative to the kind of fairy tale what Efteling is.
En die 70 gasten die gaan wij via de blauwe loper in de watten leggen vandaag. Wat vindt u daarvan?
But my first attraction which I rode was Baron 1898, which is a dive coaster with, I think it's an 86-degree drop, 123 feet high, reaching speed up to 56 miles an hour. It was incredible. I don't know why, but I was a little nervous before I boarded the train. But the whole kind of queue lines as well for each ride was just magical and enchanting, and the element that they incorporated within the narrative to each ride, it really kind of fitted together, and it just made the whole story make sense, and actually feeling that you're experiencing what Efteling was providing. And it was a brilliant coaster. So was the dual roller coaster. I'm forgetting the name. That was incredibly intense. It was a kind of a sister-esque dual coaster to the Grand National, which is based at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I found this one a lot better because of its intensity, its jolts, the ferocious speed. It was just incredible. The Flying Dutchman, which is a water coaster, kind of reminded me of Valhalla a little bit, because there is a kind of an inside themed attraction to the coaster where you go through all these incredible lightning effect elements and water elements before you go into the actual outside roller coaster part. And Python was incredible as well. The corkscrew, I've ridden one of them at Alton Towers back in 2004 before it got dismantled. But yeah, the whole kind of concept of Efteling, it kind of spellbounded me. Even though I just kept to riding the roller coasters instead of exploring a little bit more, but I know I will be returning. It was just incredible to see what kind of other countries offer, particularly the coasters. But yeah, it was, it's been a glorious weather day. It was glorious yesterday with the sun. We did have some stops where rides was halted due to thunder. But the ride operators kept the riders waiting in queue incredibly entertained by impromptu Dutch dance performances, which I kind of did a little bit ahead. Yeah, it's a brilliant theme park. I will be definitely returning again. And I mean, obviously it's my first European theme park, but comparing it to the UK theme parks, it is definitely up there with the only minor visits to the theme parks that I've done. I highly recommend Efteling, and a big thank you to Efteling for their service and courteous, and it's just been brilliant, and I will definitely be returning again. Thank you very much.